Ever reached the end of the month and thought, where did all my money go? You're not alone, and the good news is there's a simple fix. That's where budgeting comes in. In this video, I'll break down exactly what budgeting is, why it's a game changer for your finances, and how you can start using it today to take control of your money once and for all. Welcome back to Sense. Let's dive in. What is a budget? A budget is simply a plan for how you'll use your money. It helps you see how much money you make, how much you spend, and where that money goes. Think of it like Google Maps for your finances. Without it, you're just driving blind, hoping you reach your destination. Why is budgeting important? Here are a few powerful reasons. Control. You stop wondering where your money went and start telling it where to go. Avoiding debt. When you plan your spending, you're less likely to rely on credit cards or loans. Saving faster. Budgets help you consistently set aside money for goals like an emergency fund, a new phone, or even a vacation. Less stress. Knowing you have enough for bills and savings gives peace of mind. Reaching goals. Whether it's buying a car, investing, or starting a side hustle, budgeting helps you get there faster. What does budgeting actually look like? It's not about saying no to everything fun. It's about being intentional. For example, instead of randomly spending money on food delivery, you decide in advance how much you'll spend this month. Instead of saving whatever's left, you plan to save a fixed amount first, every month. This is the mindset shift that changes everything. Common misconceptions about budgeting. Let's clear a few things up. I don't earn enough to budget. Budgeting is even more important and applicable when your income is limited. It helps you stretch your money further. Budgeting is too complicated. It can be as simple as writing on paper. I earn $2,000. I'll spend $1,200 on needs, $600 on wants, and save $200. That's a budget. Budgeting means I can have fun. Not true. A good budget includes fun money, just within limits you choose ahead of time. How often should you budget? Most people budget once a month, usually at the beginning, but you should check in weekly or even every few days to stay on track. The more consistent you are, the easier it gets. Final thoughts. Budgeting isn't about restriction. It's about freedom. Freedom from stress, freedom from living paycheck to paycheck, freedom to spend guilt-free because you plan for it. Start simple, stay consistent, and watch how your money habits and your confidence begin to change. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, give it a like and consider subscribing for more simple money tips made for everyday people.